How to sign out or log out of your Cash App account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can sign out of your Cash App account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to sign out of your Cash App account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to simply launch Cash App over here. Once you launch Cash App, you can currently see that I'm signed into one of my accounts here, as you would be able to find it. So what to do if I want to sign out? Well, if I want to sign out, I need to tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then you're going to see this type of interface basically. Once you tap the profile icon, you're going to be taken to this account page where you'll be able to see all the sorts of various options. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you'll find this little option known as sign out. So all you have to do is just make sure to tap the little sign out button here. It will ask me for a confirmation. Are you sure that you want to sign out? You can just tap on the yes option right over here in order to successfully sign out of your Cash App account. This way you can basically sign out of your Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.